Sabay na, tara. Ayan, magalaw kayo mahulog tao. Tara si ate, oh. Ana si ate, oh. Tanawa sa stage, tanawa si ate, oh. Tanawa si ate. Ana si ate, oh. Ate to.
Gomez Jonah, together with her father, Mr. Jordan Gomez.
Violeta, Insay Violeta, Grace Violeta, Inanayin ka doon, ang lawas ng malion.
Ria Atasha Verona.
Sa akin, paglaki, gusto ko maging doktor.
Zaya Natasha Verona. She's best in counting, best in numbers, and Dancer of the Year, attentive and cooperative child. Zaya Natasha Verona. For honor from third section class goes to Melissa Kisha. She is the best in counting, best in art, a Dancer of the Year, a trustworthy, loyal, and clean child. Kisha Melissa. Another fourth honor, Hamay Jared. He is best in drawing, an artist of the year, trustworthy, and helpful child.
Sabi ng iba sa'kin, ako ay bata pa. Di pa nga marunong mag-isa, dahil bata pa nga. Kailangan bang tatakot, minsa'y nadarama. Mahina ang tanda.